Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can add contacts on Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Yahoo Mail app. So once you open it, all you need to do is simply tap on the first option on the right hand side of the menu screen and tap on the three dots. There you need to tap on add a new contact, and to add a new contact all you need to do is simply type in the first name of your contact person, the middle name of the person, and the last name of the person as well. So if they have any email address, then you can simply add it as well. However, if you don't have the email address of the person, then simply type in the number of the person only. So once you type in the number as well, hit the save button, or you can even fill all the details that has been asked, and then you can find the person on your list. So by following this way, you can add contacts on your Yahoo Mail app with simple and easy method. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.